To inspect or replace the drive belt on your Sportsman 570 or 570 utility, follow these steps. Park the vehicle on a flat, level surface. Ensure the vehicle is in park. And set the parking brake. Lift up on the rear of the seat and pull back to remove. Remove the 2 plastic rivets securing the left side panel. Grasp the rear of the side panel and pull firmly outward to disengage the side panel from the retainers and remove from the vehicle. Remove the push rivet on the PVT access panel and unlatch the 2 latches to remove. Remove the 4 lower fasteners and nuts on the footwell. Also remove the 2 upper fasteners, securing the footwell to the fenders. Then remove the 2 push rivets on the front of the footwell. Pivot the footwell away from the body panels to disengage the tabs and remove from the vehicle. Remove the PVT inlet duct and loosen the outlet duct clamp. Remove the 8 cover fasteners. Carefully remove the outer clutch cover from the outlet duct. Pivot the clutch cover around the fender and out of the vehicle. Inspect the cover seal and replace if necessary. Take note of the drive belt direction of rotation. The belt must be installed in the same direction if reusing. Squeeze the belt in the center to spread the driven clutch sheaves. Carefully walk the belt off the driven clutch and remove from the drive clutch. Inspect the belt for any fraying, hourglassing, loose cords, missing cogs, abrasions, burns, or damage. Replace if needed. Clean out the inside of the clutch covers thoroughly. Warning: failure to remove all debris when replacing the belt could result in vehicle damage, loss of control, and severe injury or death. If replacing the belt, the part number on the belt should face outward when installed. Loop the belt over the drive clutch and begin to walk it over the driven clutch sheave. Tip: the belt will try to curl up around the bottom of the driven clutch sheave. Push the bottom of the belt down when needed to aid in installation. Spin the driven clutch 5 to 7 times to seat the belt. Carefully reinstall the clutch cover, pivoting around the fender as needed. Ensure the cover seal is fully seated. Install the 8 cover fasteners and torque to specification. Install the PVT inlet and outlet ducts and torque the clamps to specification. Carefully maneuver the left footwell onto the vehicle and align the fenders onto the tabs on the footwell. Reinstall the 2 footwell push rivets. Install and tighten the 2 upper footwell fasteners until fully seated. Then tighten the 4 lower fasteners and torque to specification. Reinstall the PVT access cover. Install the push rivet and secure the 2 latches. Reinstall the left side panel, ensuring the tabs are aligned, and reinstall the 2 push rivets. Finally, reinstall the seat and align the front tabs. Push firmly on the rear of the seat to engage the grommet. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit Polaris.com.